Hello everyone, this is Aditya Prajapati. One day I was unable to speak at all in this language. I used to think too much about the making mistakes, the fear of making mistakes. I used to think what will the people say when I will try to speak in front of them. They will make fun of me when I was unable to form a single sentence. Even I was unable to give my introduction in English language. So that day, if I remember that day when I was doing these things, I was following these things. So I say that everything is possible, guys. Everything is possible. If I think about my past days that I have gone through, I think everything is possible. There is nothing which is impossible in this world. Welcome back to the channel. Here I am going to tell a story about me. How did I learn this language? Because my story is also a motivational story for those guys who come from very humble background, village areas, Hindi medium background. Because I can relate to those guys. They want to speak good English, but they are facing many hurdles. They are facing the fear of making mistakes. They are facing fear of speaking in front of the public in English language. I also come from very humble background. I also come from village areas. I also have completed my education in Hindi medium background so far. But even then I am able to speak very good English. How did I do it? How did I overcome the fear of making mistakes? How did I overcome the translation mistake that I used to do in starting? How did I start thinking in English language? I will tell everything in this video. So watch this video till then, because this is going to be very motivational story for everybody, for every guys who can relate to me. So watch this video. Don't try to skip if you are at least dedicated towards learning this language. If you are just thinking about this language, because this has become very common and very compulsory language. If you are neglecting this language, you are going to lack many things in future. So watch this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, here I am going to tell my story. How did I learn this language? So I will start from the starting point. I started thinking about learning this language, that I have to learn this language. तो मैं पहले दिन से स्टार्ट करता हूँ कि जब मैंने सोचा कि I just have to speak very good English. So I was not learning anything in this language. One day my brother made a phone call to me that and he said, you have to speak very good English. You have to learn this language. When I will come from the training, he was completing the training of the Indian Army. So he said that when I will come after completing the training, you have to speak in English language with me. He cannot speak in English language, but he said that you have to speak very good English, because you have to achieve a big goal. You want to become an IAS officer. So he said. So it clicked in my mind कि come what may, I just have to learn this language. From that day I started thinking about learning this language. I started learning this language from that particular day कि come what may, I will have to learn this language if I want to achieve my aim. So from that day I started learning this language. So how did I start? From the single day, I already had some kinds of knowledge about this language. I was able to make the sentences grammatically, like I had the knowledge about the 12 sentences, so I was able to form the sentences. But I was unable to speak. I was unable to understand the English. मैं मतलब ऐसे रटते नहीं है ना, जो हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में रटाया जाता है, वो मैं रटा हुआ था, मगअप किया हुआ था। जो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं उनको मगअप कर रखा था, बट आई वॉज अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस लैंग्वेज एट ऑल। यदि इफ एनीवन इज देयर हु इज स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, आई वॉज अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड। आई कैन नॉट ट्रांसलेट फ्रॉम दैट लैंग्वेज टू हिंदी लैंग्वेज एट दैट टाइम. So I thought that I am very beginner. I will have to start from the starting. I will have to start from the very basic points. So what did I do? I started listening a lot in this language. Whatever the songs, movies, podcasts, and anything, if I had to watch, I just stopped watching. I just stopped watching everything in Hindi language. I just started watching anything if I had to watch only in English language. This was the first work that I had done in starting. This was the first work. I was very interested listening to Hindi songs, 90s songs, but I stopped it because I thought that this is going to be कंपल्सरी लैंग्वेज फॉर मी. तो मैंने इसको स्टॉप कर दिया लिसनिंग करना, क्योंकि दिस वाज द फर्स्ट स्टेप दैट वी गाइस हैव टू डू व्हेन वी आर बिगिनर. तो फिर मैंने लिसनिंग करना स्टार्ट किया. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड लिसनिंग अ लॉट. आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू लिसन टू द स्टोरीज ऑफ मोटिवेशनल स्टोरीज, मोटिवेशनल स्पीच. there is a YouTube channel, TEDx. I just used to listen to the stories, lots of stories in this channel. So I just started listening a lot. I used to listen to a lot in this language, very much. I will definitely say 2 to 3 hours I used to listen every day. It helped me a lot. It was helping me a lot to start thinking in English language, because when I was listening to the sentences, I was just learning very much new kinds of things. It was stuck automatically in my mind, and after sometimes it helped me a lot to think in English directly. तो ये प्रोसेस मैंने किया. मैंने लिसनिंग स्टार्ट की, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लिसनिंग करना चालू कर दिया. एंड आफ्टर दैट I just started learning the daily use phrases like, would you like to help me? Would you give me a glass of water? Would you like to take a cup of coffee or tea? Can you help me? Will you go with me? I will beat you. These kinds of sentences I just started learning. I just used to note down first, and after that I used to learn at least 10 to 15 sentences. And I thought that if I'm not using these sentences for spoken English, I will not be able to speak, because at the end I just have to speak good English. So for speaking I just had to speak those phrases, those everyday phrases in my daily life. So I just started speaking from that day. I used to learn. After that I used to practice a lot in my room. I used to practice alone, and when I am ready enough, I will not hesitate while speaking. So after that I just used to speak very much in front of the public with my friends. If there is anyone who is supportive, I used to speak in front of them. I will not deny people used to make fun of me. When I used to speak in front of the people, some of the guys were very aggressive. They used to make fun of me in a very bad manner, I will say worse manner. So it is not only about me. I was facing many difficulties. It is the story about all those guys who just started learning this language, and they had learned this language. They will say definitely ki I also used to face these kinds of problems. So don't worry about the don't worry about the people, don't worry about the public. They will definitely make fun of me. लोगों का काम है कहना, वो तो कहेंगे ही. तो यहाँ से आपको एक चीज सीखनी चाहिए. You will learn first thing from here, that is you don't have to worry about the public. You just have to think about yourself that I just have to learn if there is anyone who are stopping me to learn this language, who are stopping me to work upon something. So don't worry about the people. Think about yourself that if I will be working upon on this particular thing for a continuous, with the consistency continuously, so I will change my life. I will definitely transform my life. So think about the future. Okay? So don't worry about the public. So after this, when I had learned and I started speaking from my single day, तो listening मुझे बहुत help करी, learning भी start कर दिया, speaking भी start कर दिया. I used to play the marbles, यानी कि कंचे खेला करता था. I used to speak in English language, whatever the things I was able to speak, जो मैंने learn किया है, उनको मैं ज़्यादातर try करता था कि मुझे use करना है. बहुत सारे friends थे, there were many friends. They used to say अंग्रेज के नाम से मुझे प्रसिद्धि कर दिया था उन्होंने कि अंग्रेज आ गया भाई. अंग्रेज इस तरीके से बोलते थे और कहते थे अंग्रेज चले गए, अंग्रेजों का जूठा नहीं यहीं पर डला. मतलब बहुत सारा मजाक उड़ाया गया है. आई कैन नॉट डिनाई, बहुत मजाक उड़ाया गया है. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट, यू विल हैव टू फेस कि आप इतने कंफर्ट जोन से आराम से इंग्लिश नहीं सीख जाओगे. यदि आप गांव से हो तो आपको ये प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ेंगी. तो आप मुझसे कुछ सीख सकते हो कि मैंने भी इस प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस किया है, तभी तो मैं इंग्लिश बोल पा रहा हूँ. तो आप ऐसा सोचिए ना यार, क्यों आप इन प्रॉब्लम्स से दूर भागते हो. इट इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट मोर इश्यू देन बिफोर. यदि आप उस प्रॉब्लम से भागेंगे, जिस प्रॉब्लम से जितना भागेंगे, वह प्रॉब्लम उतनी ही ज्यादा बड़ी होती जाएगी. This is the fact, okay? And then what I started writing my diary. Somewhere I found that writing a diary can help me to evaluate the things, can help me to reflect the things, where am I lacking, or what are the mistakes that I am doing, कहाँ कौन सी खामियां हैं. तो I just started writing a diary, and it was helping me a lot to overcome the stress, fear about the future. ओवरकम करने के लिए मैंने स्टार्ट किया राइटिंग करना डायरी में. और मैंने आई एम टेलिंग द ट्रूथ, आई हैव रिटन 3 to 4 very bulky diaries. In starting, I was making many mistakes. I was making wrong sentences, but I had to write at least 2 pages before going to the bed. Before going to the bed, I used to write at least 2 pages. जो कुछ भी किया है, whatever I have done in my whole day, I used to note down. जो मैंने किया उसको साफ में लिखता था. सेंटेंसेस सिंपल सेंटेंसेस थे. जैसे today I woke up at 5 o'clock, and after that I went to fresh up, and then I did exercises, and after that I took took my breakfast. Then I did I took a bath, and after that I went to college. These kinds of little sentences I used to note down on my diary full day that I have done. So it helped me a lot to correct the vocabulary, correct the spelling mistakes, to start thinking in English language. It helped me a lot, because when you are writing something, you are just thinking in English language. So writing के लिए you will have to think about those sentences. So it helped me a lot to think in English, to start thinking in English language. So these were the tips that helped me a lot. So इन सारी टिप्स को फॉलो करने के लिए मुझे सबसे ज्यादा क्या हेल्प किया, what was the motivation for me? I was very motivated because I had thought about becoming an IAS officer. I had set the goal that I have to become an IAS officer. If I have to become an IAS officer, I will have to learn this language. So it was the motivation. So motivation की कोई कमी नहीं थी, भर के भरा था मेरे अंदर मोटिवेशन उस समय. तो इंग्लिश लर्न करने के लिए मोटिवेशन ने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पुश किया. It pushed me forward to learn this language. Okay, so this was the motivation, and only because of this motivation I followed these steps. It was not easy to learn this language. It was very, I mean, horrific journey, I will say, but enjoyable. It was very enjoyable. With that, I used to be shameful. Sometimes I used to feel I just have to stop learning this language because there are some guys who are making fun of me badly. तो बहुत बुरा लगता था यार, बहुत बुरा लगता था कि अभी स्टॉप कर दूं, मुझे नहीं करना ये इंग्लिश लर्न करना, स्टॉप करना है, मुझे नहीं बोलना लोगों के सामने. बट एक तो मेरा गोल था, तो मैंने सोचा नहीं, आई डोंट हैव टू स्टॉप. जो माइंड होता है ना, दो तरीके के माइंड होता है. वन विल बी थिंकिंग अबाउट द पॉजिटिव थिंग्स एंड वन विल बी थिंकिंग अबाउट द नेगेटिव थिंग्स. इफ यू आर जस्ट आई मीन जो बैलेंसिंग होता है ना, इफ यू आर जस्ट अनबैलेंस्ड, इफ यू आर जस्ट थिंकिंग टू मच अबाउट द नेगेटिव थिंग्स, सो यू विल बी stopping everything. If you're just positive, so there is no one who can let you to stop. There is no one guys. तो मैं पॉजिटिव ही सोचा करता ज़्यादातर, और इस सोच को इस बरकरार रखने में राइटिंग ने बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प किया. When I started writing a diary, मेरा स्ट्रेस जो होता था, स्ट्रेस फ्यूचर के बारे में, वो बहुत ही कम होने लगा, क्योंकि I was just putting my thoughts on my diary. Simply. It was simple. Okay. So this is how I learned this language. So if you found something relevant, if you found the story helpful, motivational, so please comment on my video, and guys, please start learning this language. This is not a rocket science. This is very easy and common language. If you are just thinking about thinking about learning a new language which is from the South Indian states, so you cannot speak a single word. It will be very tough rather than learning English language. English is very easy language. You just have to feel some kind of confidence and motivation will lead you to learn this language. So confidence रखिए, भरोसा रखिए, believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. And for having something you never had, you will have to do something you never did. कुछ यदि आप पाना चाहते हैं जो आपके पास कभी था नहीं, तो आपको कुछ ऐसा भी करना पड़ेगा जो आपने कभी किया नहीं. तो यदि आप इंग्लिश लर्न करना चाहते हैं तो आपको कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एक नई चीज है आपके लिए. नई चीज लर्न करने के लिए आपको कुछ नया भी करना पड़ेगा ना, एक हद से गुजर जाना पड़ेगा ना. So in this video I was telling my story, okay, and if you found this story helpful, please comment on my video, and on what topic do I have to make video. Please comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos, and share to all your friends who are very close to you so that they can also watch my videos. Have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.